Hi, it's Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health, Knee and Shoulder, and I am here today with Douglas. And Douglas was kind enough to come on and tell us a little bit about his experience in the office and the problems that he had before he found us, and the results after he's been in our office for about, I guess, 3 weeks now.
Yeah, it's been over a month.
Over a month now.
Over a month. Yeah.
So we did a follow up with you.
Yep. Okay.
So if you could, Doug, if you could just tell everybody the reason why you were looking for my office, how you found us, and then kind of your experience, because we just talked about a bunch of things with the knee replacement, all the stuff you've been through. So if you could just give them some of your history, it'd be great.
I'd be more than happy to. First of all, I would like to thank you for what you've done and your staff and I mean
rock stars.
I mean that.
Dealing with me, they got me rock stars.
I found Dr. Davis through a pamphlet in the mail, and my wife said, "Here, maybe you take a look at this. You may be interested." And I looked at it and I said, "You know what? Call this guy. This is the truth." And we did. Thank God we did. I had surgery scheduled for the last week, but I didn't have to go to that surgery because of the establishment here, and that is the gospel truth. I can tell you a reason. I could not go up and down steps, could not lay on my back. I can lay on the floor, get up off the floor, go down on my knees, get up. I could never do that, and this is the truth. I could never go up and down steps, and that's why when you got done with me, I went up and down the steps.
With the prosthetic, with the knee replacement.
Yeah, knee replacement. Yeah, and my knee replacement, and the reason I didn't want the operation is because this knee, unfortunately, didn't go so good for me. Some go good, some don't go good. This one did not go good for me. I went through everything that you can think of. I've had a brace on this leg for 4.5 months. I've done the shots, I've done everything. And that's why I didn't want to get another operation. Right. But, you know, as bad as I was, and as painful as I was, I just said to myself, I said, I got to do something.
Right.
So, and that's first of all, they asked me to do this, and I'm telling you the truth. This
right.
is the gospel's truth,
right.
And it's I don't know how to explain it. It's wonderful. It's just absolutely wonderful what you've done, and I thank you and your staff.
You were more than welcome. It's a pleasure having you in here, and the reward of seeing the people, preventing them from getting their knee replaced, and just the surprise when you walk up and down the stairs after you couldn't do it. It's so worth all the work that we do here.
Today, this happened today, and I just told the lady in the room next to me, I was shopping before I came here, and I got out of the truck. And before, when I got out of my truck, I used to stand there for, like I said, 10 or 15 minutes.
Grease
could
the
not
wheels a little bit, yeah.
Couldn't walk. I got out of the truck, hopped around, walked. She goes,
right.
"Do you remember a month ago how bad you were?"
Right.
So that's all I can say is thank you so much for what you've done.
Thank you very much.
And I mean that sincerely from the bottom of my heart.
You're very
and
welcome.
that lady too is very good.
Yes, they're both
Thank
rock
you.
stars. Thank you.
Hi, Doug.
Hi.
Today we are here with Doug. Doug is about to start his treatment or his procedure with Dr. Davis. And Doug, before we do the procedure, we want to record what the movements feel like for you, where your pain level is.
Okay.
And can you tell us why you gave Dr. Davis or our office a call?
Long story or short story?
The short story.
The short story. Well, naturally one was because I don't want to be operated on again. I was operated on this leg and I didn't come out so good. And I had to wear a brace for 4 months.
Oh, that puts you out of commission. So what do you want to do again?
Get on my knees.
And that's for work.
That's for work.
Yeah, you want to get your hands dirty.
I want to get my hands dirty.
I heard you wanted to chase somebody.
Around the house.
Around the house, yeah. And it's hard to get on your boat or off your boat, you were saying?
It is.
So it'll be a lot more fun if it didn't hurt.
I fish a lot.
Okay.
And I haven't been out for probably a month. I've been very active, very busy. My kids are moving next door and I've been helping out. They did my house and I'm back. Yeah.
You're back now. All right.
I'm back helping them.
Well, let's take a look at where we're starting. So
Okay.
please stand up.
Okay.
Oh, I heard a snap there.
Yep.
Now, did that cause you discomfort?
A little bit.
All right.
Not a lot.
Where did it cause you discomfort?
Back of my leg.
Back of your legs.
Yep.
What would you call that level there, pain level?
5.
About a 5. All right. So I'm going to have you step forward. I want you to try a squat. Let's see what happens when you try a squat. Hands forward.
Forward.
Yep. Go as low as you can and then come right back up.
Yeah.
Ooh. That one was a little tougher, huh?
That was a little tougher.
All right. Where was the pain level for that?
Both knees. 7.
About a 7. And point to where it hurt when you were doing that movement. Right in the back. Gotcha. Let's try these stairs. I think we talked a little bit about being scared of the stairs. We can do it. We can do it. You did it.
There.
All right. What was the discomfort coming down the stairs?
Maybe a 2.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah.
not too bad.
No.
So let's try going up the stairs. Is that more difficult?
No, it isn't.
That one's easier?
That one's easier.
Okay. There you go. You did it.
Yeah.
And what was the discomfort there?
Hardly any.
So squatting, getting down on your
Right.
knees, bending a lot, that's where you find your discomfort.
Yeah.
Let's get started and see what we can do.
And we're back with Doug. Doug has finished his procedure with Dr. Davis. Hi, Doug.
Hi.
All right, let's do those couple exercises again. I'm going to have you stand up for me. Ta-da! How was that? That's so much better. All right, I'm going to have you take 2 steps forward. You can stop right there. Put your arms out in front of you. How low can you go? Wow.
Just crushing this leg.
That was one of the biggest obstacles you had at the very beginning was squatting.
Yep.
All right.
Stairs.
And stairs. Let's try the stairs. Okay. There's a railing there. Oh, look at you.
I haven't done that in years.
Look at that. You didn't even have it. No hands
to go
even.
up?
Yep. Go back up.
You got kidding. I got to do this again.
Do it again.
right?
Do it again. Do it again. And
You don't know what that means.
yes, I do.
No, you don't.
You did.
I don't believe it.
We need to bring Beth out here and show her.
She wouldn't believe it either.
So, what changes have you noticed, Doug?
What have I noticed?
Yes.
Like,
Your discomfort level today was what number did you say?
6.
6. What do you think it
7.
is now? You just
2.
you feel a little bit of tightness, is what you're saying.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm sore.
Yeah.
But from what he did, but I can maneuver.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I do the steps again?
I do. I do. I want you to do the steps again.
I cannot believe this.
This is great, Doug.
I can't believe it. Holy crap.
All right, we're gonna go get Bev and bring Bev out here and show her.
She won't believe it.
Are you happy with today's?
I'm real happy.
All right. Awesome.
Really.
Awesome.